Today I'm gonna create a patrolling enemy. So the first thing we want to do is to have an enemy object in the game and then a camera. Now we want to add some new game objects. Name it target position and then duplicate it. This is the points where the enemy will try to walk towards. Now make a script, call it patrol, something like that, and then open it in Visual Studio. Let's start off by making some variables. We want a transform array for our target points, and we want an integer for our current point, then we want a movement speed for how fast our enemy will move. Let's now make so on the start, the enemy will choose one random target point to follow. We do that by typing current point equals random.range, the minimal value will be 0 and the max value will be target point.length. Let's now test this by debugging it to the console. Don't forget to drag your target points onto the script. As you can see, we now get random numbers in the console. Great! In Update, let's now actually make our little enemy follow our target point. We do that by typing transform.position equals vector3.move towards. We want to move from our transform.position towards our target points. In the array, we want to enter our current point dot position. Then we want to have a speed. In there, we're gonna put move speed multiplied by time.delta time. Let's now test this. As you can see, our enemy starts moving towards the random selected target point. So let's now actually make so our enemy can move towards more than just one target point. To do that, we need to add a new function called increase current point. In there, we're gonna type current point plus plus. So let's now actually put this function to use. We want to make an if statement in the update. So if the enemy has the same position as the current point, it will increase the current point. But this will lead to a bug. So we need to go back to our increase current point function and add an if statement. In there we want to type current point greater or equal to target point.length. And if that's true, current point will be equal to 0. Let's now test this, and as you can see, it's working. Let's now make so the enemy waits at the target point. To do that, we need some new variables. We need one serialized field float wait time, and then we need a private float wait time counter. Then we want to set the wait time counter equals to wait time. So let's go back to update and put our increase current point function inside of the if statement. Then above that we want to add a new if statement. In this if statement we're gonna put wait time counter less or equals 0, and if this is true we want to fire our current point function and set wait time counter equals to wait time. And if this is not true, we want to decrease our time counter by time.delta time. Let's put in some values and then test this. And as you can see, it's working correctly. But we can improve this by making it more random how long the enemy will wait. So let's add some new variables. We're gonna add a minimal wait time and a max wait time. And then we're gonna make a new function called private float set wait time. and in there we're gonna put wait time equals random.range min wait time and then max wait time. Then we're gonna change all of the places where we set the wait time. So in start we're gonna put set wait time, and then in update we're gonna set the wait time. If you want to organize your variables, you can add a header and a space here. So let's now set some variables and then we are done. And as you can see, our enemy has varied wait times. If you like this video and want more tutorials like this one, you can subscribe or like. And if you didn't like this video, you can dislike the video. If you have any suggestions on tutorials I can make, leave them in the comments. And as always, the script will be downloadable in the description. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.
Wow.